Okay, everybody, just want to talk a little bit about your practice exam, getting ready for our real exam Tuesday morning, October 22nd. And again, you'll be doing the exam in person at whatever Loyola site you registered at on Tuesday, October 22nd, unless you've made alternate arrangements with me because of a prior work commitment. But again, you've known about this date for a long time, so hopefully you haven't scheduled work on that date. But if something has come up and you have, I should know before 2 o'clock today. That way we can reschedule. We can't do rescheduling at the last minute, and Tuesday is obviously the last day. So we need you to get in, make plans to be in here. You will have an opportunity to use a computer, or you can do it in handwriting if you'd like. And again, we'll have those options for you available at Loyola on Tuesday, October 22nd. So where you find your practice test is you're going to go to content. And you're going to go down here to exam review and practice exam. And basically, this is the exact format of what your exam is going to be. Obviously, the questions are going to be different, but this is pretty much the exact same thing you're going to see. So I think it's a good opportunity for you to prepare for the exam, also to alleviate any kind of anxiety you're having about the exam. Go through it, do the activities so you know what to do, and you'll be good to go on the day of the exam. So your exam has 3 sections to it. Okay, there's a reading evaluation, like we did in Unit 1, where we're going to give you a text and there's going to be some questions based on that text. You will do an opinion paragraph, not a 5-paragraph essay, but simply one opinion paragraph. And then you'll do a summary. You'll take a look at a text and you'll do a summary paragraph. So there's some short answer questions, both with directly, indirectly, and making connection questions. There is an opinion paragraph, an 8-sentence paragraph, and then a summary paragraph. So those are the things, if you're studying, then you really, really should focus on those 3 areas. Okay. So the first part of your practice exam is there's a text. Okay, so here's a text about a huge mural marks a graffiti philosophy in Montreal. Go through, the paragraphs are numbered. You can take notes, you can highlight. If you have this on paper, you can highlight, you can underline, you can certainly interact with your reading as you go. If you are doing it on the computer or you have your Google Read and Write, you can highlight, things to pull out the important information. There'll be some questions, multiple choice questions here. So you're going to circle, obviously, the correct answer. There's an open response question based on that. The key here is use specific details from the selection to support your answer. So you definitely want to be using quotes and examples of proof. That's extremely important for me when you're answering these questions, that you provide proof of your answer. Then we have your opinion paragraph. Okay, so you're going to write an opinion piece in response to one of the following questions, one well-designed paragraph around 8 sentences. So again, if you think that your introductory sentence is 1, your concluding sentence is 2, and then you have 3 supporting points, explaining the point is 1 sentence and the proof you use is another, then there's your 8 sentences. So there'll be a few topics. You'll have some choice. They won't be these topics, but you can certainly choose one and plan and write out the opinion paragraph just for yourself. You don't have to submit it to a Dropbox, but certainly just go ahead and write it out to help you prepare for when you're going to do it. We've used many organizers in this course. You're to show planning for your paragraph, being clear to show key components of a good paragraph. You're to have a rough copy of your paragraph, edit it, and produce a good copy. So you're expected to show some kind of graphic organizer, a quick rough copy, and then a good copy. And I need to see all these parts when you hand it in on the exam. Finally, section C is a summary. You're going to summarize the following paragraph. Obviously, you can't just give me the exact same paragraph. You need to summarize it, change it, pull out all the important information and add your own words to it. Okay? And that's it. That's pretty much what your exam is going to be. So please go through, do this practice exam. You don't need to hand it in. It's for your own good, for your own purposes. And that's it. Be ready to go. And so Monday will be really a review day. So it's a chance for you to maybe go ahead and do this practice exam, catch up with it, hand in. Make sure we hand in anything that you have not handed in, that you're all caught up. And then Tuesday's our exam. And then you're done your literacy course, which is great. Okay. So I'll see everybody soon.